Sa 1,500, pinagkakakitaan nyo pa ang isang mahirap.
Dr. Gamboa, na for every defense thesis, meron kang 1,500. Anong hindi magkaparehas? Anong hindi parehas?
Minsan, I think there is 1,001, 1,002, or 1,005, something like that. But
Hindi mo present itong si Mr. Gamboa, and yet, he signed this document purportedly saying that he is in approval of the defense of the student. Mr. Gamboa, napakasipag mong pumirma sa mga thesis nitong mga ito.
Wala ka. Tapos pipirma ka? Pinipirmahan mo lang and you get 1,500 for that? I do not know even if you read all the thesis submitted by your students.
So bakit kailangan yung mag-charge ng ganito? 1,500 is very minimal. Pero sa isang mahirap na nagpapaaral sa isang state university, ay malaki yon. Wala kang social justice. And if you don't have social justice, I think you have to resign.
Dr. Gamboa, what is your position and role in all masteral and doctoral thesis defenses? Do you sit in the panel, in all panels? You are under oath, Mr. Gamboa. So please reply correctly.
yes,
and
yes, Honorable Chair.
rightfully. So you are.
Yes, yes, I said
Okay. So do you sit in all panels as the chairperson?
not necessarily, Honorable Chair.
Okay. Do you get paid for that? And how much do you get paid for sitting as the member of the panel?
I think it is only one to something like that.
Ano, no?
1,001 or 1,002, something like that.
So, ano yan? Paano? Educate us. Is it per hour? Is it per defense? Is it per, ano? Ano ba? Ano bang sitwasyon dyan?
During the final defense po.
The final defense. So, it's only one day.
Yeah, yeah.
And this one day, you're paid by the hour or by
No,
the day?
no, that is during panel.
So, you're paid by the day.
No, it's not. But that is
Per thesis.
yes.
Okay, per thesis. Okay, sige. So, almost all thesis defense, Madam Chair, Your Honors, they occur almost simultaneously. Diba? Kasi pag graduate na, itong course na to, may kanya-kanya, halos sabay-sabay yan eh. So, especially kapag masteral at saka doctoral level sa Madam Chair, no? Apart from your job as the President, how can you attend all these defenses and study all the theses of all hundreds of students every semester so that you can intelligently discuss them and evaluate and assess them too?
Most oftenly, the defense is being done during Saturday and Sunday and after office hour, Honorable Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're
Yes,
sure?
Yes.
O sige, I will give you that benefit of the doubt, Madam Chair. Kasi parang sinirox niya yung sarili niya, no? Sa lahat ng defense panels na almost simultaneously happens on a Saturday, Saturday ba?
Saturday, Sunday, and after office hour.
O Saturday and Sunday, halos in all of this defense, Madam Chair, nandoon si Mr. President. Member siya ng panel. Halos magkakasabay-sabay yun, ha? And I will show you later, Madam Chair, kung why am I saying this, no? Kasi nga, there is a compensation doon sa pagiging member niya ng panel. Now, when you are not able to attend some of these defense, thesis defense, Mr. President, do you still collect professional fees?
If I am not the one sitting,
Yeah.
no, Your Honorable Chair.
Again, I'd like to recognize Dr. George to answer the honorable.
Yes.
No, Gregorio pala, hindi pala Dr. George. Kaya pala you're looking, nagtatanong. Okay, I'm just flexing things. Okay,
Yes.
please answer.
If I am sitting, yes, but if not, I do not collect.
So, if you are not able to attend, so why do you put yourself in that position if you cannot diligently attend and study and discuss the defense of the students? Kasi it seems that you are present in all, Madam Chair, no? What is the purpose? The only lucrative reason I see, Madam Chair, is the professional fee of 1,500 pesos each. Is that correct, Dr. Gamboa? Na for every defense thesis, meron kang 1,500.
Hindi ata magkaparehos yun, Honorable Chair.
Anong hindi magkaparehas? Anong hindi parehas?
Minsan, I think there is 1,001, 1,002, or 1,005, something like that. But I could not ascertain
Oh,
kung fixed
so,
ba yun.
Pero there is really a compensation,
Yes,
di ba?
Sir.
Kasi either 1,002 yan, 1,500 yan. Yan ka, huwag ka magsisinungaling at nagagalit ang ating ano. So, can we show the table, please? Question. Sino pong nagbabayad ng 1,500 per defense panelist?
I think what they call the writer of the thesis, the students.
Ang students ay magbabayad sa lahat ng panelist.
Yes, Honorable.
So kung normally ilan ho kayo sa panel?
There were 4 or 5, Honorable Chair.
11,000 lahat. 11,000.
Oh, kasi I have here a copy of the approval sheet na kung saan ay nakapirma. Ibig sabihin, kapag ikay nakapirma dito sa approval sheet, inapprove nyo yung thesis ng estudyante, ni-review nyo yun, in-assess nyo yun, at in-evaluate nyo yun. At you are there, you are present, di ba? Pero in some cases, hindi po present itong si Mr. Gamboa, and yet, he signed this document purportedly saying that he is in approval of the defense of the student. So parang meron hong ano rito, para masipag ka magpipirma rito, Mr. Gamboa. Napakasipag mong pumirma sa mga thesis nitong mga ito. So, anong inyong masasabi dyan?
With regards to the thesis, I have to read that one first before I will sign.
Mm-hmm.
So
kahit na wala ka dun sa defense, while the defense is happening, pumipirma ka pa rin.
After I review the documents, Honorable Chair.
So you review. Ang
Yes.
dami nito. In a one semester, ilang kaya ang nire-review mo?
Hindi naman yun magkasabay, Honorable Chair.
Edi magkakasabay lang, more or less. Ilang kaya?
Maybe 2 o 3 yung at a time mababasa. But that on a semester.
Well, we will check that, Madam Chair, Your Honors, kung totoo nga ba yung sinasabi ni Dr. Gamboa. Kasi to me, it is physically impossible for him to be present in all this defense. How can you be present in all of this? Kung sabay-sabay ito, almost simultaneously nangyayari ito. Is it because the reason is 1,500 pesos per appearance? Per being present in this defense panel? We don't know. No, and that is what we want to prove, Madam Chair.
Honorable Chair, can I reply?
Okay.
Actually, hindi naman ito simultaneous na sinasabi na at the same time. Actually, schedule of defense is being arranged. Hindi sila sabay-sabay, kundi nagkasusunod-sunod sila. But hindi po nagkasabay. Never that it happened. And in fact, we are changing now kasi before, ang daming nag-graduate. Ngayon, because we have seen that kind of scenario, we have changed that one. Ngayon, isa lang ata yung nag-graduate on the doctoral at 3 lang ata yun sa masteral. Because we have seen such kind of scenario, Honorable Chair.
Well, Madam Chair, dito I have a document here sample document no dun sa schedule of defense no. Nakalagay ito June 6, 2020, 8:30 a.m. Ito naman June 6, 2020 pa rin, 10:30 a.m. naman. Isa naman ay June 6, 2020, 1:30 p.m. naman. Ito naman ay 5:30 p.m. the same date, no? And all this, no, this happened in one day. June 6 lang ho ito lahat. Sample lang po ito. Kung di ako nagkakamali, 7 schedule ito ng defense, oh. So, again, Madam Chair, nandiyan siya. No?
Can I be recognized?
Yes, Dr. Gamboa.
Yeah, it might be right that there is a schedule, but oftenly the schedule is not being followed because the availability of the panelists are being considered also, Madam Chair.
Oh, just like you, because you cannot be present in all of these, di ba?
Yes, I know.
And why did you schedule all this defense in one day, more or less around 7 hanggang 8 defense panel ito?
It is the Honorable Chair, it is the Dean of the Graduate School who make the schedule.
Yeah, but as the president, you have a say.
Yeah.
You can actually say no, there are no available panelists.
Yeah,
So,
that's why
ikaw, chairman,
why we schedule some of this.
sa documents that you signed in order to collect that 1,500 pesos, it appears there that you are the chairman of the panel
Yes.
of defense panelists. So chairman ka eh.
So that's why we change. We put that most often the schedule that is being presented by the dean.
Eh bakit lahat nung June 6 may pirma ka?
Yes, of course. But
So are you telling me that in June 6 all this defense happened and you are all present in all this defense?
if that we yes, if I could be
That's
present.
ridiculous, Madam Chair. Do not fool this committee, Mr. Gamboa, because obviously may problema ka dyan. Now, moving forward, Madam Chair.
Yes.
Okay.
Dr. Gamboa, hindi ho ba ito masyadong nakaka-mental drain, yung sunod-sunod? Kasi as far as I know, pag nagtitesis ka, you really have to focus. But since you're part of it, may quality students sa ba tayo noon? Pagka ganyan, meron ba tayong, even the panelists are they capable of hearing all of those thesis?
That is the very reason, Madam Chair, that most oftenly the schedule were not being followed because of that kind of scenario that hindi mo matantiya kung
But-
kailan matapos yun ang isang defense.
But June 6 is, you have 7, no?
Yeah, it was scheduled on that one, but I don't think so that the 7 were completed on that date.
Oh, how come? You have you have completed it because you signed it. And
I
there's
know.
actually
But the
system. If it's there,
actual
it's locked.
defense might happen on that one. I have to check on my record, Honorable
Oh,
Chair.
you have to check that because that's bad. COA, take note of that. Yes, Kong.
Madam Chair, may I ask some clarificatory questions to the President of SNSU? Dr. Gamboa, do you find it appropriate na kayo po ay mag-chair ng panelist sa pre-oral at saka defense proper ng thesis reporting?
Yes, Honorable Chair.
You find it appropriate?
Yes,
Are you sure?
yes.
Yes. May I know your basis?
On the first place is that it was being observed during our several meetings that theses are being made hurriedly, and yung mga content nandyan na talaga sa database at saka yung pinapalitan yung title na lang. So we have to make sure that these theses are not being what they call appropriated, in the sense that
And
it is not, I cannot prove this one, but there was a situation
Yes.
there that
that is
binabayaran
only
na lang
your
yung-
speculation, Doctor.
Yes.
And you find it appropriate na dapat mag-sit ka as chairman, lahat po ng thesis defense, and you get a fee of 1,000 to 1,500 per student.
Uh,
You find that appropriate?
Well,
Sinagot mo ko kanina, yes.
yes, but the payment is not appropriate, Your Honor, because there are
The
several.
payment is not appropriate.
Yes,
What do you
because
mean by that?
because there are several occasions. I just let it go with the payment, Honorable Chair. There were cases.
You let go of the payment.
Yes, because that is the actual happening on the field.
Did you request the dean of the colleges na kayo po ay maging membro ng o maging chairman ng panel, CC's defense panel?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, yung mga different deans ng colleges, kayo po ang pinipili maging chairman?
That is what I know, Honorable Chair.
And how many colleges got you as chairman of their defense panel?
Only in the graduate school, Honorable Chair.
Siyempre, graduate school. Ilan na?
There is only one. There are in the one program in the doctorate degree and 3, I think, on the undergrad, if I'm not mistaken.
Yung masteral degree, you do not sit?
Come again.
Masteral degree.
Bachelor degree.
Masteral.
Yeah, masteral degree.
You also sit.
Yes.
So ilang defense panel lang inuupuan mo?
That is only one on the graduate school and no. Because they are both on the doctorate degree and the masteral degree, Honorable Chair.
Ano po yung subject matter ng doctoral degree?
More on management, Honorable Chair.
Management. So iisa lang ang ino-offer nyo na doctoral degree?
Yes, Honorable Chair.
How about masteral degree?
Master's degree, I think there were 4 or 5 program.
4 or 5.
Pa rin.
And you sit as chairman of all the defense panel?
Yeah, because management pa rin yung Honorable Chair.
Dahil sa management, kayo po ang uupo na chairman.
Maybe that is their perception, Honorable Chair.
Which I do not believe. Di ba? Are you trying to tell me that the students will pay for the 1,000 or 1,500 fee? It is not the school that pays?
Ang panel P, Honorable Chair. The students are paying that one. The students are paying.
So, kung alam ko yung panel ko ay composed ng ikaw at saka siguro si Attorney Lenes at saka Lopez. Tama ba? Yung taga-CHED. Bibigyan ko sila ng 10,000, pasado na ako.
I think that is not possible, Honorable Chair.
Why is it not possible? It has happened.
Well, not happening on our university, Honorable Chair.
Hindi nga. Is that not possible?
Well, I could not comment on that one, Honorable Chair.
I beg your pardon?
I cannot comment on that issue, Honorable Chair.
Now, if you do not sign the thesis defense, they will not pass as chairman?
During the panel, they are already been declared as pass. Doon sa libro nila, it is proof of compliance na on the after the debate.
Sabi po niyo, Chairman, kanina, or Mr. President, na yung mga pinirmahan nyo, kahit hindi kayo present eh.
Yeah, but
It
there were
defeats the purpose, di ba?
during the defense, Honorable Chair.
Yes.
Well,
Wala ka. Tapos pipirma ka?
I have to review all the
Ay,
documents.
nagtanong ka ba? Ikaw naman, dumaan din ako dyan eh. Pinipirmahan mo lang and you get 1,500 for that? I do not know even if you read all the thesis submitted by your students. Come on. That's not that's not agreeable to human nature. Yung nga nagko-correct ng kwan eh, ng bar exam eh. Pag hindi niya mabasa yung sulat mo, kino-cross na niya eh. Mr. President.
Yes, Honorable Chair. Thank you, Madam.
Yeah. To my colleagues, I was just like hearing all of those. The reason why ang rason bakit nag-aaral ang mga mag-aaral sa isang state university ay para magkaroon sila ng una, kalidad na pag-aaral na edukasyon. Pangalawa, makatipid ang magulang para magastos sa iba. Dahil maaaring ang isang magulang ay hindi lang isa o dalawang anak, kaya nakakatipid. So bakit kailangan yung mag-charge ng ganito? 1,500 is very minimal. Pero sa isang mahirap na nagpapaaral sa isang state university ay malaki yon. Ang sa akin po dito, pag ganyan po ang inyong pananaw, wala kang social justice. And if you don't have social justice, I think you have to resign. Kasi para sa akin, ang isang presidente ng isang state university o isang universidad, dapat merong malasakit. Pero yung mag-charge kayo ng 1,500 na hindi ka naman po pala talaga nakaupo. Babasahin mo lang pala yun na dapat mo naman talagang basahin dahil sabi nyo nga po, party kayo. Pero hindi naman kayo nakikinig. Tama po ba? Hindi kayo kasama doon sa panel? O kasama kayo sa panel?
Hindi, as chairman.
Hindi. Can you get 1,500?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, I think you have to resign pagka ganyan.
Can I explain, Honorable Chair?
1,500 is 1,500
Yeah,
sa isang mahirap.
But we are talking here on the graduate school, not on the undergrad students.
So, given alam niyo po, kung ako po ay isang estudyante na gusto kong pumasok sa isang kolehiyo o kahit graduate school, pipiliin ko po na may pangalan ng universidad. Kasi if I go to Ateneo, I get better work. If I go to Lazal, I get better work. If I go to St. Paul's College of Manila or University, I get better work. After that, di ba? I go to USC, big schools. University of the Philippines, big schools. Or I even go to the Ivy League schools. Like I went to Harvard. Doon ako pupunta. Kasi gusto ko, kahit pa paano, may edge ako. Pag nag-apply ako online, kukunin ako agad ng JP Morgans, kukunin agad ako ng malalaking kumpanya. Pero sa 1,500, pinagkakakitaan nyo pa ang isang mahirap. Ay, hindi tayo magkakasundo dyan, Mr. President.
Yeah, I agree with you, ma'am. But, Madam Chair, there was a committee of on that one in the graduate school. And in the first place, the graduate school is a special program of the university. At saka wala itong subsidy when it comes to personal services coming from the government. It is only the operating expenses, but not on the PS of the people teaching in the graduate school.
Teka muna po, I beg to disagree. You're telling us na yung sa graduate schools ay hindi gumagamit ng pasilidad ng gobyerno?
What I mean, Honorable Chair, is that under the line item under GAA, there were no personnel services intended for the graduate school. It is only the MOOA that is stipulated.
But still, you're still using the facility of
Yes,
the government
yes.
school.
Yes.
Using electricity,
Yeah.
you're using the chairs and tables, you're using everything. So, I mean, I beg to disagree with that, sir.
Okay.
Mr. President, 1,500, kahit ano pang sabihin niyo sa probinsya, malaking bagay po yun. And that, for me, it's not acceptable.